And this is photography for slutty people. I'm gonna be teaching you how to improve on your self-portraits or your portraits to make them more enticing and attractive, and also to fulfill your vision. Shoot before the heat. So this is what you need to have ready before you actually pick up your camera. We're gonna talk about mood boarding and technical skills and aesthetical purposes. The main goal is for you to have a vision, acquire a vision, and execute it. The shoot itself, it's the moment where you take your vision and remain consistent to it. That means you have a right prepare and you're ready to execute it in a way that will please you with the result. And finally, the aftercare. We're gonna have a little session on how to select the best images, how to edit them, and how to deliver them in the proper format for the destiny, may it be printed or digital images. Okay, so we're gonna start now.